New Life Hospital is a multi-specialist hospital which has been facing a lot of pilferage, theft, and troubles relating to the inventory maintenance and control. On investigation in the matter, it was found that the person in charge of inventory inventory outflow of the store is also responsible for purchasing and maintenance of inventory record. One person responsible for everything. According to you, which basic system of control have been violated? So one person is responsible for everything, then it is a problem. So internal control will be checked. Also list out the other general condition pertaining to such system in need to be maintained and checked by the management. So how this internal control way? It is a fraud to be reported by the management. Basic system of control which has been violated. Internal check which includes segregation of duties for makes and checkers have been violated when transaction processing are allocated to different person in such a way the work of one person is complementary to the work of another person. So usually what the organization do, one person doing the work, no, the other person will check the work. So this is the process is happening. So here the maker and the checker are both of the same person. This is the reason of this general condition pertaining to internal check system as follows. So internal check system ICS to be maintained. Person having physical custody of assets must not be permitted to have access to books of account. Books of accounts to be handled by the different person. System of budgetary control should be introduced. Budget should be introduced for stock taking. The closing of the year trading activity should, if possible, be suspended. And the task of stock trading and evaluating should be done by the staff belonging to other than stock exchange. So some independent agency should be used or independent person other than stock should be used to do the audit of the stocks. During the end of the year, even in the end of the year, the financial and administrative power should be subdivided every judicially, and the effect of such division should be reviewed periodically. So power should not be in one person; it should be diversified, and that power should be supervised. Finally, the system must be capable of being expanded or contracted to correspond to the size of the concern. So, based on the size of the concern, the system should be flexible. So, this is the points need to be taken care pertaining to internal system check.